This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz S550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 4.7-liter V8. Its top features and packages include the Premium One package, the Driver Assistance package, Distronic Active Cruise Control, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, active ventilated and heated front seats, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, power rear side window sunshades, an air suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and keyless go, which lets you turn on the engine by pressing a button with the keys in your pocket. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.